Troubled by xenophobic attitudes and a pesky belief in a higher power? Well, don't worry, science can zap those vibes right out of your brain with a little transcranial magnetic stimulation. According to a new study published in the journal Social, Cognitive, and Affective Neuroscience, a little tender-loving TMS to the brain's posterior medial frontal cortex can result in 32.8% less belief in God, angels, or heaven, as well as 28.5% boost in positivity towards an immigrant who criticized your country. Let's break this down. First, the posterior medial frontal cortex is associated with identifying obstacles and triggering appropriate responses. TMS allows researchers to shut down or stimulate specific portions of the brain, in order to see how they affect our overall cognitive experience of reality. In this experiment, psychologist Dr. Kaiza Azuma and a team of UCLA researchers strapped two groups of subjects into the brain coils of a TMS machine. One group received a low-energy placebo zap, and the other got enough of a jolt to lower brain activity. Then, the researchers chatted the subjects up about death, as this tends to summon contemplations on religion, followed by specific questions about religious beliefs and immigrants. Now, those might seem like drastically different categories, but they both revolve around personal ideology, and this research explores ideology's function as a sort of human complication of basic threat response. When we're threatened, we tend to double down on our ideological stances, even falling back on older ideologies. The faith of your childhood, your father's politics, something like that. Now, there's still a lot of work to be done here, especially as far as the link between religious and ethnocentric beliefs are concerned. But the study illuminates the paradoxical complexity and simplicity of human cognition. The brain is like a multi-scoop ice cream cone, with each progressively complex flavor, theology, politics, racial attitudes, all plopped atop factory-made wafer cone cognitive architecture. If you have half a brain, the front half anyway, then you probably have an opinion on this. So reach out to us, touch faith. And if you're looking for more weird scientific wonder, be sure to check in over at now.howstuffworks.com every day.